Now, the first point, we will talk about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Affiliate marketing is a way of advertising specific products as a business to work with specific or with individuals that are either able to register and apply for an affiliate program, or they had right away access to it within their dashboard on a specific website. Usually the way it works, an affiliate would generate a link, or they would have access to a specific link that is tailored only to them, no one else. So they have a unique link that is only connected to their name in the database, in the system of a website or this system. And they would share that link on social media or on a website or anywhere they want. And people are able to click on that link and it takes them to a specific website, and they're able to basically make sales and generate commissions from that. The system or a website usually will track the affiliate link, so the code that is connected to a specific affiliate, and keep this link in their cookies for 30 days. Cookies, I mean, all these terminologies, it would be good if you read up on them if you don't know what they are. But basically the cookies on a browser, on a user, on any device, whether it's a computer or a cell phone or a tablet, would save these cookies, this code, this tracking code, within for this specific website, usually for 30 days. And that way the user is able to purchase something and the affiliate will generate a commission once a sale is made. And there are many different options of affiliate programs out there. You know, Amazon offers that, TikTok offers that, different brands around the world offer that. You know, in the United States, a lot of companies are offering affiliate programs within their system, and anyone that would generate a link, they can share that link. And again, we will go into detail into that once we talk about the dashboard.